Hey and welcome to the channel. I have an in-depth article to go along with this video. The link is in the description. Microsoft Remote Help is now included with eligible Microsoft 365 E5 and E5 subs. In this quick walkthrough, I'll deploy the client from the Enterprise App Catalog and start a support session. In the Microsoft Tune Admin Center, go to Apps, All Apps, then Create. Under Windows, select Enterprise App Catalog. This deployment route requires Enterprise Application Management, which is included in an E5 sub. Search the Enterprise App Catalog, search for Microsoft Remote Help and choose Microsoft Remote Help. I'm selecting English x64 package and the current version shown in my tenant. On the Updates tab, I'm choosing Automatically Update. Don't forget to subscribe. Back on app information, Intune has populated the application name, publisher description and package details. With a required assignment, Intune can deploy newer catalog versions to the targeted devices automatically. On assignments, add remote help test devices under required. My test group contains my 2 test VMs. A required assignment means the application installs automatically when those devices check in. Users do not need to open the company portal or select install. Review the selected app package, program settings, requirements, detection rules, and required assignment, then select Add App. Once the devices have checked in, open Device Install Status. Both VMs have now reported installed, confirming that the deployment has been successful. This YouTube video is sponsored by TechSource, who are a MSP and reseller and offer a wide range of services that cover everything from cybersecurity, Microsoft licensing, hardware, and much more. Remote Help requires a Microsoft Enter account in the same tenant. Now watch as I use Remote Help to support another user and flick between screens. For a detailed breakdown, don't forget to check out the article I've written. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the rest of the videos on my channel and my website.